What about your friend Samuel? The one that spends madly on you? Abeg, leave that one. I've moved on to the next person. My friend, wetin happen na? Abeg, gist me. My ears are itching. Samuel was forming too much for me na, so I left him and moved on with the speed of light.
I will show you right away how I was able to create the video you just watched with free AI tool, 100% free AI tool. Watch this video till the end before you complain again that you cannot create AI videos for free. I am making this tutorial for the sake of those that are still finding it hard to access Flow AI for free. This tutorial is beginner friendly, and if you watch it till the end, you will be able to create your own AI video for free. So all you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser, type Google Flow and search. Now when it opens up, you're going to see Google Flow, AI Creative Studio for video, images and custom tools. That is the one you're going to click on. Alright? So click on it. When it opens up, it's going to show you where to select your email. You have to choose an email account. Alright, so select any email of your choice. Click on your profile to see the free 50 credits you were given. Now, can you see the 50 credits? And they wrote under it that credits refresh daily. Can you see it? Okay, so just tap anywhere or tap the X icon to remove it. Alright, so to get started, click on New Project. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to go to your setting. You see where they wrote video at the prompt box. Click on it and change it to image because we have to create our image first. Put it in ×3 or 4. Image creation doesn't cost credit. Select your aspect ratio based on the platform you're posting for. 9:16 for TikTok and Facebook, 16:9 for YouTube. The next thing to do is to paste your prompt. You can get your entire script and your image and video prompt from ChatGPT. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be typing my prompt directly here. But I would advise you to create yours using ChatGPT to avoid wasting your credits, because once you make mistake, you're going to recreate the video. Alright, and video costs credits. Okay, so this is exactly how I created the video you watched at the beginning of this tutorial. Okay, I first of all created my image. So this is my image prompt. Create 3D cartoon characters of 2 female friends of age 20 gisting in a cozy sitting room. African characters with braided hairs. One is wearing pink gown and one is wearing blue gown. Now, the color of the gowns were necessary so that it would help me differentiate who is talking and also save my credits. So when you're done typing your prompt, just click on the send arrow. Then wait patiently for your image to generate. Our pictures are ready and they are very beautiful. Okay, all you have to do is to check them out and save anyone you like. Okay, so just click on the download icon and click on upscaled. Alright, it has been downloaded, so just click on the dismiss and then mark good. Okay, so if you want, you can delete others so that it doesn't confuse you. You can delete others. So to delete, just long press and then click on move to trash. Okay, so at the end, you would be left with only the one you want to use for the video. Okay, so what you have to do is to click on your setting again to change it to video. And this time around, take it back to ×1. So it doesn't burn out your credits, because if it's in ×3, it's going to use 45 credits. But if you take it to ×1, it will use only 15 credits. Okay, so when you're done, just click anywhere outside. Alright, now the next thing to do is to click on the plus sign so that you can add the image as part of your prompt. You must add the image. Okay, so when you select the image, you see that the image is now in your prompt box, showing that it's now part of your prompt. Okay, if you don't do that, it's going to give you an entirely different video that doesn't even have anything to do with the characters. What you have to do is to type your prompt, paste your prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt I gave. The lady in pink says, "What about your friend Samuel, the one that spends madly on you?" then bracket teasing African lady's tone. Then the lady in blue says, abeg leave that one, I've moved on to the next person. Then bracket African lady's tone. You would have to put the African lady's tone so that it will give you the tone you want. Alright, so once you're done, you click on the send arrow and then wait for your video to generate. Okay, so our video is ready. Now, I want you to look at the dates at the top. I made this video on the 14th of July. On the 14th of July, so you can still make videos for free on Google Flow, okay? So just click on your video to check it out.
What about your friend Samuel? The one that spends madly on you? Abeg, leave that one. I've moved on to the next person.
Alright, this is really beautiful. Okay, so what you want to do is to click on the download icon and then click on 720p and download your video. Alright, when you're done, mark good. Okay, now look at our credits. It's remaining 35. So once you exhaust your credits, sign out. Click on sign out and then go over again to sign in again and choose a different account. Alright, to create another video, click on the plus icon in the prompt box. Alright, you have to create your videos in bits. After, you go over to your video editing app to join everything together. Okay, select the image, then paste your prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt I gave it. The lady in pink. My friend, wetin happen now? Abeg gist me, my ears are itching. Bracket very dramatic, fast-paced African lady's voice. Then the lady in blue. Summer was forming too much for me now, so I left him and moved on with the speed of light. Bracket joyous African lady's tone, fast-paced. So you also want to add their mood to it so that it will add life to your video. Okay? So when you're done, click on the send arrow and wait patiently for your video to generate. Alright, the video is ready. Let's check it out.
My friend, wetin happen now? Abeg, gist me. My ears are itching. Samuel was forming too much for me now, so I left him and moved on with the speed of light.
This is really nice. This is beautiful. Alright, so when you're done generating your video, go to your video editing tool and add the clips together. Alright, so that's how you generate your videos bit by bit until you're done. Remember, once you exhaust your credits, log out and log into another email account and continue generating your videos. Alright, if you'd love to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. See you on the next one. Bye.